Hello friends, welcome to our channel Seasoned with Salt. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to share with you 5 types of refreshing mojito recipes, and they are virgin mojito, cucumber mojito, orange mojito, watermelon mojito, mango mojito. So let's start with the virgin mojito. Ingredients required are lemon juice, mint leaves, lemon wedges, crushed ice, club soda, sugar syrup. Let's start with virgin mojito. Take 2 to 3 lemons, cut into small wedges and de-seed them with the help of a fork. Now place 5 to 6 lemon wedges into the glass. Add 10 to 15 mint leaves. Now add 20 ml of lime juice into it. Add 30 ml sugar syrup into the glass. Now muddle the ingredients gently so that all the flavors and aroma mix homogeneously. Here we have used back of a wooden spatula instead of a muddler. Now add crushed ice and fill half the portion of glass. And fill the remaining portion of the glass with club soda, around 75 ml. Now garnish with mint leaves and lemon slice. Stir it gently. Place a straw and your refreshing virgin mojito is ready to serve. Next is cucumber mojito. And the ingredients are lemon juice, lemon wedges, chopped cucumber, mint leaves, sliced cucumbers, crushed ice, sugar syrup and club soda. Place the chopped cucumber in a blender along with some mint leaves and blend it. Now strain the mixture with the help of a strainer in a glass, and the extract will be around 30 ml. Now take a glass, add 5 to 6 lemon wedges, 2 to 3 slices of cucumber, add lemon juice 20 ml, sugar syrup 30 ml, add mint leaves and muddle it gently with the help of a muddler. Add crushed ice, pour the cucumber and mint extract, fill the remaining portion with the club soda. Stir it gently. And garnish it with cucumber slices, mint leaves and lemon slices. Put a straw and your refreshing cucumber mojito is ready to serve. Now we'll start with orange one. We'll extract the pulp of half of an orange and with another half we'll slice it and keep it aside. The extract of the orange will be around 30 ml. Now take a glass, add 5 to 6 lemon wedges, add the orange juice, add mint leaves around 10 to 15, add sugar syrup 30 ml, and muddle them gently. Add 20 ml of lime juice. Again muddle it. Now add crushed ice. ,30 ml of orange juice and fill the remaining glass with club soda. Stir it nicely. Garnish it with a slice of an orange, mint leaves and serve with a straw. Your refreshing orange mojito is ready to serve. Next is watermelon mojito. Ingredients required are lemon juice, mint leaves, lemon wedges, crushed ice, club soda, sugar syrup. Watermelon juice. Take a watermelon and collect some pulp. Remember to de-seed the pulp. With the help of a blender, prepare watermelon juice and strain it. And here I have taken around 30 ml of watermelon juice. Now take a glass, add 5 to 6 lemon wedges, add pulp of watermelon around 2 to 3 spoon, add 20 ml of lemon juice, Add 10 to 15 mint leaves. Add 30 ml of sugar syrup and muddle them gently. Now add crushed ice into the glass. Add 30 ml of watermelon juice. And fill the remaining glass with the club soda. It will be around 50 ml. Garnish the glass with the wedge of a watermelon, a lemon slice, stir it. Place a straw and your refreshing watermelon mojito is ready to serve. Mango mojito. Ingredients required are lemon wedges, mango pulp around 30 to 40 ml, mango juice 30 to 40 ml, lemon juice 20 ml, sugar syrup 30 ml, crushed ice, club soda. Now we'll start with a slice of a mango. Cut a slice of a mango and extract some pulp in a glass. It will be around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Ingredients required are mango pulp, lemon wedges, mango juice, lemon juice, mint leaves, sugar syrup, club soda. Now take a glass, add 5 to 6 lemon wedges, add mango pulp around 2 to 3 tablespoons, add mint leaves into it, now 20 ml of lemon juice, add 30 ml of sugar syrup and muddle it gently. Now add crushed ice, 30 ml of mango juice and fill the remaining portion of the glass with club soda. Stir it nicely. Garnish it with a slice of a lemon. Put a straw and your refreshing mango mojito is ready to serve. Hope you all will like this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you.